I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe.
What's up YouTube? It's your boy Nas Worldwide, and this was my vacation trip to Vietnam in 2017. I flew from San Francisco to Hanoi and then ended up taking a 6.5 hour cab ride to the biggest waterfall in Southeast Asia, the Bang Detein waterfall. You may experience some bad quality and shakiness throughout this video, and I do apologize since I wasn't that experienced on how to use a vlogging camera. However, other than that, enjoy the video.
Look how beautiful that looks. Oh my god, this is freaking incredible.
Unlike other famous waterfalls in the world, such as the Niagara, Victoria, and Guazhou Falls, Bang sits on the border between two countries, which are Vietnam and China. The waterfall is 200 meters wide and 70 meters deep. The best time to visit Detein Falls is from June to November every year because of the rainfall season. And if you're trying to get close to the waterfall, then you need to get one of these boats that can take you near the edge of the waterfall. I also found a beautiful horse that was next to another waterfall right beside of Detein. This was truly a remarkable place that had a natural habitat surrounded by wild animals.
So I found a lady that's able to help me cross the border from Vietnam to China. On the down low though, nobody knows. But thank you. Wait, I give you more. I go, come back. I don't know what this is, but looks like it's the Great Wall of China. The end of it though.
So once I was walking the streets of China, I had a Chinese military officer approach me and asked me to come with him. From here on, I was nervous as hell because I didn't have a visa and I was afraid that I was going to jail. However, I kept calm and cooperative. Since there was a language barrier, we translated through his phone. He asked me questions like, where are you going? Where are you from? Can I see your passport? And from here on, I panicked and I informed him that I do not know who you are and I don't feel comfortable giving you my information since I did not do anything wrong. He let me go right after that, and that's when I rushed right back to Vietnam. So it's day 2 in Vietnam and I'm about to get on a cruise ship in Ha Long Bay. I was offered a spectacular room with a balcony and a shower, so I couldn't complain. The cruise ship started to take off in Ha Long Bay, then ended up stopping a few hours later at a pier. That way we can hop on a boat to canoe through a cave. Ha Long Bay boat cruise is one of the most popular tourist attractions in all of Vietnam. The region is popular for scuba diving, rock climbing, and hiking. Sapa is a small mountain town in Lao Cai province. It is located about 350 kilometers northwest of Hanoi, close to the Chinese border. These days, Sapa welcomes a diverse range of visitors from all over the world, attracted by the highland tribes, iconic rice putties, and forest treks. The most prominent attraction in the area around Sapa is Fancy Pan, which is the highest mountain in Vietnam. It's only 19 kilometers from town. This may seem like a short distance, but the trek is not easy. The rough terrain and unpredictable weather present some difficulties. Tourists who are fit and have mountain climbing experience will enjoy this attraction the most, as the peak is accessible all year round. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to my channel, share this video, and smash that like button. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next travel video. Peace.